Good morning, folks. Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I want to share a long-term opportunity with you that was presented clear as day. And if you had bought this some years ago, you would be sitting very pretty. Now, of course, before I do that, I just want to also disclaim anything I do share, anything we do exemplify, anything we do cover is for information and educational purposes only. Please do not take anything as suggested live trading advice or financial advice, as it is certainly not. Now, if you could have owned the stock Amazon at $180, would you have bought it? Now, the signal was clear as day that this was the entry point. And it just did everything it was supposed to. Volume preceded price action drove its way to the sky. So we went from $180 at our signaled entry all the way up to $3,500 before pulling back to the current price of $3,100. Had you bought this stock at $180, with whatever money you had aside to park into this company as a long-term investment, I can assure you your life today would probably be much different than it was 10 years ago when you had purchased this stock, when you had invested in this company. Now, this is the power of longer-term trading. Taking a position in a company with extreme upside potential and being in it for a move like this. Amazon gave us a clear entry point on the backside of the Great Recession, 2008, 2009, coming out of that, and ran from $180 where it told us to get in, as clear as day, to where we stand today at about $3,100 off of our $3,500 high. Now, this is just incredible. This is how wealth is created. This is how somebody takes a little of their nest egg and pours it into an opportunity that they see as a game changer for the future. And this is what happens. You only needed to own a couple hundred shares to become really, really, really wealthy off of this one just simple, particular, easy to see stock. I mean, guys, the trend has been going to e-commerce for the longest time. So as Amazon grew as a company, multiple opportunities to get in were along the way, but the first opportunity was at $180. And I think if I asked anyone today that if they could have owned and continue to own today Amazon with an entry price of $180, I think I would get a resounding yes. Now, this is the power of our tools here at Hawkeye. This is the power of the methodology that we teach here at Hawkeye. This is what is a game changer for most people. When they find this, they realize I can look out into my future and see a different life than I'm currently living today. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Well, this just stems back to the previous sentence I just stated as we left that chart. Our only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. I'll say it again. What we doubt within ourselves today will reflect in the limitations we have so we can't realize tomorrow. Now, had you doubted Amazon at $180, you wouldn't be able to realize the $3,100 that stock sits at today. If you trust in the system, if you trust in yourself, if you have a disciplined, tried and true trade plan, all the things we teach here at Hawkeye, your opportunities will be there for you to take advantage of. But if you limit yourself today with doubts, you will limit your realization tomorrow. And I don't want that for you. And you shouldn't want that for you either. You shouldn't want that in your trading. You shouldn't want that in your business. You shouldn't want that in your career. You shouldn't want that in your personal life. The only person who limits you is you yourself. The most powerful tool in your home is the mirror. I tell people all the time, look at it. It will change your life. It certainly changed mine, and I hope it changes yours too. Now, guys, if you'd like to learn more about what we do here at Hawkeye, I encourage you to click the link below. check out the Project V-Swarm webinar. If you'd like, also head on over to HawkeyeTraders.com. Give you a real feel for what we have to offer here. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, I encourage you to always reach out to us at support. You can either email us or phone call us. We are always here for you to answer all your questions. Guys, do something today that creates a better tomorrow for yourself. I implore you to do that. Not for me, but for you. With that, have a beautiful day, a blessed day, a profitable day, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.